I bought a car. I bought a Kia Cerato. Kavishi Cerato and Cerato in 2014 from somebody 2 weeks ago. Unfortunately for us, we did not know the car had some engine problems. So we got somebody from the care office. You know the way they do it now, because we don't want to go and pay the big money of care office. So the person said, I work in the care office, but I will do it in the shop so that you won't pay those big fat money that the company will collect from us. Okay, no problem. Proceed. How much will you collect? We agreed on X, Y, 100,000, X 100,000 naira. Okay, proceed. Then bought parts, blah blah blah. He gave us a long list of what we should change. He said it will be costing us how much, a little less than 500,000. Okay, proceed. No problem. At the railing, yeah, that kind of thing. Okay. Now, when he's now supposed to deliver the project, he now told us that the cylinder of the car is also faulty. I was like, what's my business? We told you to fix the car. But he said, no. As at the time I started fixing the car, I gave you a list of what I will buy. And cylinder was not part of it. So, yeah, Baba, that's all. What do we do? He is claiming that the scope of his work was defined by him at the beginning. That I am buying parts A, B, C, D, E, F, G. He listed all what he will buy. And then he also added my own workmanship. He added it there. With the assumption that when he started doing the costing, he did not know that cylinder was faulty. But I am standing up to say, me, I did not tell you what you will buy. What I told you is that this car is not in good shape. Come and fix it and give me an estimate. And he gave me the estimate. So in a case like that, how do you settle it? Oh yeah, Oga, anybody?
Realistically,
okay,
he gave you a budget for parts to be purchased, replaced, amended, and gave you the price for his services.
Yeah.
You had gone to meet him to fix the car. But because he gave you a list of parts to be fixed and what the problems were, he had mentioned that to you and did not include anything that has to do with cylinder. I'm afraid it kind of seems the scope of your work was already defined. Even when you didn't know it, he already defined it and you had paid for those parts. Upon discovering something new, that is supposedly something, I can only blame him for not having done a thorough job, in which case he can say this variable came in later. The initial prognosis did not reveal that. It's still the same thing. He did not thoroughly go through it, but now we choose shortcuts in the first place. If I don't carry and go company where they for do proper checking, all the nitty-gritty would have been found out. Although, from experience also, where you even take it to the company, sometimes these things also happen. I'll take a case of computers. You take a computer to HP service center to complain about a fault. They give you bill for that. And when it's about time for them to fix it, they realize that you complain about maybe overheating and it was the fan that wasn't working. And then they found out that probably it was even the coolant.
Okay.
There was also coolant issue with coolant requiring replacement. But they already told you the scope of what the problem was that they had identified, give you a bill for that, with which you had paid. Any other thing new means actually a new negotiation. You have to settle it the gentleman approach.
Beautiful. The point I'm driving at, not because I just want to divulge some confidential information. The point I'm driving at here is the only thing that saved this man from 100,000 naira BC is the fact that he defined the scope. If not, hey, because I'm like, what's my business with all of these things? I called you. I said this car is not in good condition. Tell me how much I need to spend for this car to be in perfect condition. And then imagine if all he gave me was to give me a price. To say, Mr. Brahim, 465,000 naira, I will fix your car. He cannot come back and tell me I still did not factor this in. It's not my business. It's your job. I brought you up because I believe you're a professional. If you're not capable, you should have told me point blank. But now that person is telling me, wow, I gave you a scope. I gave you a list. And that is the same reason why if you are loose as a project manager, why did you take this? Loose as a project manager, if you don't take things, if you don't ensure that you get things documented, you have things clear, and you don't leave room for ambiguity, you'll be very, 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 you get your fingers burnt seriously on a project.